What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the 2014 Dodge Ram 3500. In the last episode we got everything primed in really nice. Now we just need to tape it up and start wet sanding. We got everything taped up really good. Now we're gonna start sanding everything. We are gonna be painting this entire area right here and that whole cap corner because there's some chips right here. So let's go ahead and get some sandpaper and sand everything down really nicely so we can get this thing painted in. So we got everything sanded on the rocker panel and we went ahead and sanded this entire area right here. Now we're gonna move on to sanding the fender and the front bumper that we have over here. We are gonna be doing a color match on the front bumper and then the replacement fender right here. So let's sand these two down and get this in the paint booth so we can get it painted today. So we have all the parts sanded over here. We have the fender and we're also replacing the hood because that one's actually damaged up there. I don't know how that happened, but it is damaged. And we have both fender flares for the front and the rear. We have to sand this one. Had a couple chips in it. So everything is sanded over here. We're gonna be putting all these parts in the paint booth and we're actually gonna be painting the truck right here in the shop because it won't fit into the paint booth. So let's go ahead and tape everything off really good so we don't get no overspray on the bed or the roof or anything else. Truck all taped up, everything is looking good. We're about to spray it. We're actually going to be painting all these other parts inside the paint booth because the truck won't fit. So let's go ahead and get this painted in and then we'll go paint these parts in inside the paint booth.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want.
Check this out, guys. We got everything painted here in the paint booth, and we got everything painted on the truck. We're gonna go ahead and start putting all the seals right here that go over here. And we also need to put the door hinges on there. So let's go ahead and get this thing all back together, get the doors on, and probably put the fender and the hood on. We got both doors on over here. We went ahead and just washed the doors so it matches better to the rear cap section, so you guys wouldn't complain about that. But we got all that done. Now it's time to go ahead and start working in the front. We need to replace this bracket right here. We have a new one, and get the fender on. So we got the fender on and this bracket. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove this hood and get the new hood back on it. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. We got a lot done on the truck. It is almost complete. We have a little bit of stuff in the front we need to put back together, like the headlights and the bumper. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at VTuned.